Disclaimer, I do not own any of the characters you will see in the show, nor do I own any of the music you will hear in the show. Everything belongs to their respective owners. The creators and the songs will be in the description below.
I'm bored. When are we going to get to fight the bad guys again?
We'll fight them once they show up.
When is that going to be?
I don't know, just be patient. Hey, do you guys hear music?
Ah!
Ow. Huh? Ah, crap. Ow. Ow. Ow.
This is the last time we ever let Pedro give us directions.
It's not my fault I can't read maps. Actually, it kind of is your fault. Oh, hi, Chuck. Hey, Blue. Where are we? Oh boy. Laserbird, can you do the spiel, please? Welcome to Birdie Island. Bad guys are trying to take over the island, and we're trying to stop them. So, you want to join? Well, it's not like we're gonna be able to get back to Rio, so why not? Nice. Huge wave of enemies is approaching! Wait, what? Attack! Oh great, here we go again. Are these the bad guys? Yup. Aight, let's do this. Ah, ow! Ow! We're dead. Yeah! Got him. Oh my god, you guys suck! In our defense, we're still recovering from our boss fight from last episode. Just shut up and let us show you how it's done. You don't scare us. Well, I'll have you know, me and Darth learned some new moves. Bring it on. You asked for it. Ow. Not this time. Ow, stop.
Prepare for trouble! And make it double!
Or be turned into rubble! We're the bad bandolier! Did you guys seriously just steal your intro from Team Rocket? Is there something wrong with that? Yes, because it sucked. What? That's it! You just signed your death warrant! Let's waste them!
Boing.
Ha ha! Bubbles, look out! Huh? Ha! Ah, crap. I'm dead. I can't stop! We might not be seeing him again for a while. What are you doing?
Aiming! 3, 2, 1, and action!
Retreat! We did it! Hey guys, What'd I miss? So what you're telling me is that not only did you fail me, but there are even more good guys now? Yup. Ugh, I'm surrounded by idiots. Fine, I'll take matters into my own hands. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It's optional though, so you don't have to. Anyways guys, this is Bird Boy 109 signing out. Peace!